Hey guys.
Hey guys, here we are on Fremont Street.
It is noisy and packed and crazy. We just got done with a fabulous dinner upstairs at the top of Binion Steakhouse.
Very good.
Awesome.
So now we're gonna take a walk back to the El Cortez, and it is crazy.
So this is Fremont Street at night. Canopy lit up. Place is packed. There's a race in town this weekend, the Mint 400. It's an off-road desert race, and it's just insane.
So here we go. So enjoy our walk back. Woo! We'll try to talk, but I don't know if you'll be able to hear us. So just enjoy the view back to the El Cortez.
Okay, I'm going to try to do an epic B-roll spin move here. Check this out. Sniper singing. We've had a few drinks. Singing, Granny. Come on. Woo-hoo! Ye freaking ha. Alright, we're at the corner. There's 4 queens on the corner. Got Fremont on the opposite corner. Binion's on this corner. Hey girl, take it for me, girl. And we got the Gold Nugget on this corner. Literally 4 casinos within spitting difference. This is awesome. I said difference, I meant distance. Yeah, we've had a few cocktails already. So, having a blast. Vegas at its finest, guys. Packed.
Fremont, there's Fremont. Did you get it? Oh, there goes the zipliners.
Zipliners. Yep, there's the Fremont.
In case you wondered what we're doing, we have to wait to cross Fremont.
Here's a little fact about Clark County, Nevada.
Okay.
More pedestrians are hit and killed by drivers here because everybody's drunk and stupid, and they get run over in the crosswalk.
Yeah.
It's insane. So there you go. Gamblin Granny rock. You got street performers everywhere. You got bucket drum guy coming up, who's just flipping, rocking it on the buckets. Oh yeah!
All kinds of craziness. That's what it's all about. Let's go. Chris, everybody clap your hands.
Try to get in the middle of all this madness real quick.
Oh boy, here we go.
Oh no, 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 no. This is a case of drunk and effed up.
Oh boy, late time.
Yeah, it happens. Just be glad it's not Gamblin Granny you see on the ground right there, Wild. To cross. Everybody chant, wait to cross
4th Street.
Wait to cross 4th Street. Wait to cross 4th Street. To cross 4th Street. Red Rover, send everybody right over.
Sign is on to cross.
It's right, Red Rover. Oh, guys, this is just flippin' insane. The madness that is Fremont Street.
I think I smell marijuana.
How would you know what that smells like, Gamblin Granny? Were you ever at a great...
I don't. I just say it just smells different. So.
Were you ever at a Grateful Dead concert?
Oh no.
Brown-eyed girl. Everybody. Do you remember when?
That's actually pretty good back there. Him doing that.
Oh yeah. I was wanting to catch keyboard guy and give him a buck. Keyboard guy was good.
I don't know if I can drink the rest of this.
Here's a bucket guy. And on the way here we passed a keyboard guy that was actually really good. And I was going to give him a buck, but I don't see him. Ambulance!
It's live PD.
Live PD, Knox County, Nevada.
Although this is Clark County.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Okay, we're gonna probably pause here and we'll catch some dune buggy shots here in a minute, or while we're waiting at this stoplight. All right, guys.
Now this is some of the Mint 400 cars. covered up.
Here's a couple cool ones coming up. Now these are they race this race in the desert. This is an off-road race for like 400 miles of brutalness. And these things are just Mad Max looking vehicles, man. I mean,
Crazy.
Brutal, awesome, insane.
There's another one over here.
There's back looking at Fremont Street. I don't know if this will pick up in the dark, but here's another.
Yeah, probably won't.
Another awesome looking, just a desert beating machine. Those are real cool. Here's your Gamblin Granny looking at dune buggies. I wish that sign was lit up. That would look pretty cool. Seems like the neon lights here just go forever.
Yeah, I know.
And now we're back at the El Cortez. Home away from home. Gamblin Granny's got some money to win. And catch you guys on the next video. There's going to be probably a Binion's review.
Yeah, either, well, it'll probably be probably tomorrow on the Binions.
Yeah, we got to do
the steakhouse.
Yeah, we got to do a recap. We'll do a breakfast recap, so we can watch that video. And be sure to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification if you guys are digging this kind of material. We sure like doing it. It's just awesome. Who can't get enough of Vegas? All right, guys, till the next video. See ya.